Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Toyota Supra in Drive Zone online. To acquire this iconic car, your primary method is purchasing it directly from the in-game dealership. You'll need a substantial amount of in-game currency, usually around 1,500,000 credits. Focus on completing career missions and daily challenges to build up your funds efficiently. Once you have enough credits, head to the main menu and select the dealership option. Inside the dealership, browse through the extensive car list until you find the Toyota Supra. It's usually listed under the Sports Cars or Japanese Imports section. Simply select it, confirm your purchase, and the Supra will be immediately added to your personal garage, ready for you to drive. To speed up your credit accumulation, actively participate in online races. Winning these often grants substantial rewards. Make sure to complete all your daily and weekly challenges, as these provide excellent bonus currency and sometimes even rare items. Additionally, consider selling any unwanted cars or spare parts from your inventory to quickly generate some extra funds for your Supra. Now that you've successfully acquired your Toyota Supra, it's time to hit the roads of Drive Zone online. Take it for a spin, explore the vast open world, and dominate your opponents in races. Don't forget to customize your new ride with performance upgrades and stunning visual modifications to truly make it your own. For more deals and the link to grab some Little Trees Black Ice, check the description below. Enjoy your new car.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.